Hi everyone, this is another Argus camera that I have. Also come with leather case, which I'm going to take out now. Okay, the leather case comes together, so no worries. So this is the front, one side, the other side, the bottom, and the top. Besides that, this is a light meter. You can see that it works. See? Let's put the ISO at 800. Okay. Shutter setting. Interesting. I don't know how to use this, but you can see it works, so there you go. Okay, fires. Take out this one. Now I'll show you the shutter speed. Okay. 7. 6. 5. 4. So that's a slower speed. I took out the light meter because I want to show you guys this part. I noticed the focusing screen is a bit blur. I'm not sure if you can see. So from what I know from before, you need to tune the focusing here. You need to open the screw, then turn this thing. I can probably test it out later, but this is what I found so far, and it goes in the video to show you guys the condition of the item. So thank you everyone for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you. See you guys. Bye. God bless.